Hi everyone, welcome to Promax online training programs.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about excavation. In this video, we will discuss about what is excavation, classification of excavation, key terms used in excavation. Excavation is simply process of forming a cavity by cutting, digging or scooping. Cutting is the process of using some implement such as claws, hands, manual tools or heavy equipments to remove material from a solid surface, usually soil or sand on the surface of the earth. Digging or scooping is actually the combination of two processes. The first being the breaking or cutting of the surface, and the second being the removal and relocation of the material found there. Classification of excavation can be done by two types: how we do it and what is the kind of surface to be excavated. By the method of excavation, divided in two methods: first, manual excavation; second, mechanical excavation. Manual excavation is labor-oriented method where humans or animals are used for excavation. It is very laborious, expensive and slow. However, it is more precise and shall be done for small quantities or definitive works. There are various kind of tools used for manual excavation such as trowel, pickaxe, hoe, spade, shovel. Mechanical excavation is method where machines are used for excavation. It requires less labor, it is very fast and it is used for higher quantity but does not suitable for precise jobs. There are various kind of machinery used for mechanical excavation: excavator, earth mover, dozer, scraper, grader, drills, breaker. According to the type of surface, it is divided in three types: ordinary soil, soft rock, hard rock. Ordinary soil generally known as all kind of soil like black cotton soil, laterite soil, alluvial soil. Second, soft rock. It is known as ordinary rock. It is described generally hard laterite, sedimentary rock and PCC, hard rock. In this type of rock, generally known as quartz, granite, basalt and RCC. Next is blasting. Blasting generally used in hard rock. It is expensive. It is use of explosive. It is require more supervision and safety. It is required legal requirements and approvals by government body under the Act of 1884. Key terms used in excavation are generally deadman known as mound and heap of earth; burji is known as benchmark. It is a temporary pillar for demarcation of grid lines, formation or profile. It is a layout for excavation for precise excavation. Lead. It is a distance between the location of excavation and dump location of excavated material. Lift. It is a height difference between bottom of excavation level and natural ground level. Antiques. If we found any antiques or old civilization thing in excavation, we have to inform and submit to the archaeology department. Vegetation. Plants and bushes on the surface of earth is called as vegetation. Site clearance. Cleaning of dead men and vegetation is called as site clearance. For more information, you can log in to www.promecgroup.org or visit to nearest Promec office.